Midwest home for the holidays. 'Twas the night before Christmas, and all through the house, not a window was drafty, not in this Midwest house. The stockings were hung on the chimney with care. Thanks to vertical chimney, St. Nick soon would be there. The kids were all cozy, asleep in their beds, while Mom dreamed of Feldco deals dancing instead. While I in my flannel with cap on my lap had just settled in for a long winter's nap. When out in the driveway there came such a sound, I leaped from my chair with a startled rebound. Away to the window I flew in a dash and smiled at the glass. No more frost, no more cracks. The moon on the snow gave a soft, gentle glow, and I spotted a sight every homeowner knows. A shiny new garage, sturdy, spacious, and grand, a Danley's creation, the best in Chicagoland. When what to my wondering eyes should appear but 3 trusty crews spreading holiday cheer. With tools and with trucks and with work done just right, I knew in a moment, home comfort tonight. Now Feldco, now Danley's, now Vertical too. The Midwest best trio, we're counting on you. From windows to chimneys to garages so wide, keep homes warm and happy and filled with pride. Up on the rooftop, Santa took pause, admiring the shingles, giving applause. Strong, snug, and steady through snow, rain, or sleet, a roof like this makes holidays complete. They spoke not a word, but went straight to their task, improving each home, no need to ask. And before they departed through soft falling snow, they waved to their customers, hearts all aglow. Thanks for your trust and business this year. You've made our work special, we're filled with good cheer. From Feldco, from Danley's, and Vertical too, Merry Christmas to all, and warm wishes to you.